Are you selling a doer-upper? You can see how great the house is and how great it could be, but finding a buyer who's willing to look past certain stuff and agree with you, a bit like finding a needle in a haystack. If only you had a magic wand you could wave and get the house looking its best. If only you had the time and the resource to put into it, you'd walk away from the sale with loads more money and everyone would be better off. Well, you're going to want to listen to this. Real talk time. When you buy your house, it looked great. The person you're trying to sell it to is just seeing it tired. They don't see all of that history. They just see a project. You need to get it into the condition that they're going to want to buy it in the same way you did. That's where we come in. We work with people who are selling to make sure they're getting the full possible price, making sure the house is in great condition and the person buying it's going to love living there and pay more for it. So let's think about your goal here. You want to sell your house to somebody who's going to live in it. But if it's not in the condition to be lived in right now and that end user isn't going to buy it, then the person who's going to buy it is a developer or investor who's going to get it there. Now, a developer or an investor is buying it as an opportunity, which means you're taking a haircut on your price, 20% at least, probably more. So what does that mean for you? Well, that's where we come in. We do what they do, but with you. So we'll come in, make sure that the house is in that condition that's going to achieve that full end user price. We'll do all the work to get it there and split the winnings with you. You get part of the uplift, the whole current value of the property, and you don't have to lift a finger. So what do we get? Well, the chance to make a profit share when we make you loads more money. You get a faster sale at a much better value, and you don't have to lift a finger. If you don't want to be negotiable, you have to make sure there's nothing they can pick on. We specialize in making totally bulletproof homes, meaning that you can ask the maximum possible price, and there's nothing anybody can say to make you believe it's worth less. If that sounds like the kind of certainty you're after, come talk to us.